RYOBI Days are back. I'm Jay and we're here at the Home Depot to check out everything RYOBI Days 2026. As we celebrate 30 years of ONE+ compatibility, we've got a ton of great savings. Let's head inside and check them out. Inside every Home Depot, you'll find the RYOBI Days train. It's pretty hard to miss. And on here, you're going to find buy one, get one tool savings, new low prices, as well as exciting products coming in for RYOBI Days this year. You've got the tried and true 18-volt ONE+ battery starter kit with a 2 amp hour battery, a 4 amp hour battery, and a charger. And new for this year as well for $99 is the 18-volt ONE+ 13-inch string trimmer and edger kit. Choose from either of these and you get your choice of over a dozen free tools, including lifestyle products such as inflators and fans, cleaning products such as a job site blower and a hand vacuum, as well as a variety of power tools. Coming to the other side of the RYOBI Days train, you can step up into the 3-battery 18-volt ONE+ starter kit, including 2 4 amp hour batteries, a 2 amp hour battery, and a charger for $199. When you upgrade into this kit, you have a choice of over 20 different free tools, including select 18-volt ONE+ HP brushless solutions, such as the all-new 18-volt ONE+ HP 9-inch hybrid oscillating fan. RYOBI's first ever oscillating fan delivers over 1,200 CFM of air movement, keeping you cool on all your summer adventures. The 18-volt ONE+ HP 510 CFM blower, which is great for cleaning up the backyard, clearing off the deck and the driveway, giving you the most spotless yard in the neighborhood. And the 18-volt ONE+ HP pet stick vacuum, great for floor-to-ceiling cleaning throughout your house, as well as picking up after your 4-legged friends. The savings don't stop at the buy one, get one deals. We also have fantastic new lower prices this RYOBI Days. The 18-volt ONE+ 6-tool combo kit drops $100. You can get this now for just $199. The 18-volt ONE+ 2-tool combo kit drops $50 and you can take this home for just $99. But there's savings beyond 18-volt ONE+ products. We've got some fantastic USB lithium deals in store. My personal favorite, the USB lithium clamp fan. This is going to run for over 6 hours, keeping you nice and cool. Clamps to your tailgating chair, to your beach chair, anywhere you need to stay cool throughout the summer. And of course, you cannot forget about your accessories, including our impact driving sets, titanium drill bit sets, and more. And the savings expand beyond the store. Make sure you visit homedepot.com for exclusive online savings, and make sure to visit your local Home Depot while these deals are still available. Please like, share, and subscribe, and happy RYOBI Days. It's the greenest time of the year.